What's the meaning of chunder? Chunder. Chunder.
Chunder. Chunder. Chunder is a slang term that refers to the act of vomiting, particularly in response to motion sickness. The word likely originated from the sound one makes while vomiting, and it is commonly used among surfers and other individuals who engage in activities that can cause nausea. The result of chundering involves the expulsion of stomach contents through the mouth, often accompanied by feelings of dizziness and discomfort. While unpleasant, chundering can provide temporary relief from motion sickness and allow the individual to continue with their activity.